So let me just show you guys the before. Actually, I have 3 light bulbs each there in the past, and if you guys want to check that out, it's actually in my previous video. I have a studio room tour, and if you guys are interested, it's gonna be down below, or just scroll through my videos, you'll see it right over there. And I am planning to put it right over in that very corner, because in the future, what if I have like a bigger mirror that's going to fit the sides of my light bar, so you know what I'm talking about. So the reason why I decided not to put it in here is because it's gonna look off, because it's too long. So I didn't really expect for me to get that mirror. However, it's really hard for me to decide, because if you are about to buy a mirror online, it's going to be super expensive, and the shipping was $75 freaking, and I was like, hell no. So let me show you guys the things that you will need. Sorry about the mess. Ooh, the gang is all here, super messy. Please do not judge me, okay? So what you will need is light bars, of course. If you guys wanted 3 light bars, that's gonna be up to you, but this tutorial is specifically for 2 light bars only. So if you guys are still interested, then please keep on watching. And if you guys are interested in those like 3 light bars on the sides and top and here, then this is not that. It's just gonna be like for 2, okay? So what you will need is an extension cord. So this is an old extension cord. So what you do is that you cut the head. You can definitely buy that in Walmart as well. And then split them in half. So what you want to do, because this one is from my old one, but I'm just going to explain it to you guys how this works. So you cut the head, cut the middle, and then just twist it all out for you guys to expose the wire. All right? Very simple, and it's very easy to do. Just cut it in half, just twist it. Cut it around, twist it so the wires would get exposed. So, well, I'm so very good at explaining, but I tried my best. And then of course your light bar. Now, I got this at Home Depot, and what's good about this light bar is that it's going to contain everything that you need. Let me show you. Now, these are the ones that you actually need in a kit. It comes along with a plastic that has some contents that you will need for this project. Like for example, these ones. So these are the safety caps. I'm not so sure if that's what it's called specifically, but these are the caps that you would need just to give it a little bit more extra secure so that those wires won't touch each other. So it comes along with that. Let me try to get it, because I'm just using one hand, so it's a little bit difficult. So for you to open it, remove these ones first. I got, oops, crap, I already destroyed it. Thanks, life. Here you go. Ta-da! Oh my god. Okay, there you go. Let me just fix that. What happened to this one? Serious right now? Okay, so this is the kit that I was talking about a while ago. So it already includes those things that you will need for that. It has the anchor, and it has these 2 lock-on caps for the wires. Now let's set that aside. I don't know what this is for, but we'll figure it out, because the other box doesn't have that. Sorry if I'm being very informal. So you already have the wires right over here. Before we begin, I'm gonna show you guys the other things that you will need. You will need that drill if you don't have one at home. There are so many good deals outside. You might wanna or you might just wanna borrow from someone, because almost every household has one. And then some drill bits, of course, electric tape, and a measuring tape so that I would make them very even, and it's gonna be really nice to look at. So I'm gonna start. So for every light bar, there is going to be like 2 wires that are going to be exposed. Put it right over here in the middle so you can get a grip of them very well. So there's white and there's black. This is going to be very basic and simple because we don't have like a 3rd bar. So what you wanna do is just twist them together. My accent though. Twist them together like that. Girl, seriously, shame on you if you can't even follow this. I'm just kidding. That's me. I can't even follow simple instructions. Alright. you go. And then you have the other one right over here. There you go. Can you guys see that? Just twist it. Seriously, I am so having fun doing this. Like, I love it. So, yeah. And then I'm gonna get this orange cap. I'm so happy that this is already included in the kit. What I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna get that. Sorry about the bad lighting, but it's fine. Twist that till you like, oopsie, till you like completely cover it. Just like that. There you go. And then do the same thing on the other one. So it is important for you guys to put it in the wall that you test it out first, see what happens. Hold on. Let me just try to make that very nice and secure. Okay, do it again. And then you get your tape. Get your electrical tape. Tape them around just to be secure and safe. Don't want the house to burn. Where is my, seriously, where's my scissors? Okay. All right, found it. Sorry about that. Cut it. All right. So what I like to do is that you just do that. Twist it around. Again, I really do apologize for the bad lighting. Okay, there you go. I'm gonna do the same thing on the other one. And if you are still not sure, or if you're scared to do this, please have someone to assist you, and make sure that you guys follow the amount of watts that is required for your light bar, okay? I know it indicates here in the leaflet like the maximum watts that you can get for your light bar, so nothing to really worry about that. Oops. And this, you have to make a hole in your wall and put this in so that it doesn't ruin the jive, so it won't get loose later on. So that's that. Now I'm gonna connect this to my extension cord and see, I'm gonna test out one light bulb and see if it works, okay? Again, I'm sorry for the mess, but you know what? I thought, like, why not try them all? Because realistically, this is what's gonna happen. Like, I'm about to, like, put 6 bulbs. So I'm gonna attach this to the extension cord now. And then, yay! So pretty. Now I'm so excited to attach this on my wall. I'm gonna close that. So another thing that I did, guys, I kind of secured all of the wires inside so they're not kind of wobbling around. Ta-da! So this is the final look, guys. Final look. This is the finished result, guys. So as you can see, I kind of mix and match the white and the yellow light. And it is just so pretty. I'm gonna upgrade my mirror in the future, but for now, I'm already happy with that. I'm gonna let Jondrae do the mirror thing. He's probably gonna give that to me as a gift, but whatever. The next thing that I need to do is clean everything because it's just so messy. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you are planning to do this as well. I will see you guys next time. Love you all. Bye and happy Valentine's.